Uzofanele asuka ngithi ufuna ukusuka ngidlula kwinkulumo yakhe angithi angiqede mina ukuthi ngifuna ukuthini manje phela ngithi Jay nisebenza nina niya understandana but bona you don't address ngezinto engizenza nawe mina hence why sekubona ngale ukuthi yonke into I think they know everything but the attitude doesn't say that because it's like mina ngistepha onto inyawo zakhe okay Jay ngizocela ukwenza lokho engikuzele mina namhlanje mangobesa ngicela ukuthi nje angiphoki level yakhe hayi ungayi address ke kanjalo ungayi address kanjalo we serving. No, don't address it that way. Ikhona video anyway. Yabona njengoba ngirecord, so ngenza la khona isimankhoti awukhona. Ngicela ukukhuluma mina bandela. Ngicela uqedela mangobesa. Ngicela uqedela lokho engisho. No, ngiyakhama kokunye. Mangobesa, ngifuna ukusho lokho engikuzele mina so that sizohlukana kahle. Ngizokunika i-chance yakho. Angithi ngisakusho ukuthi why ngize kuwena. Manje masizo object angingakachazi bese uchaza your part. Ngicela ungasesazwana ngithi ngicela usilinde baba. Ngicela usilinde. Ngifuna ukusho ngifuna ukushenguze no it's okay ukuthi akufanele asifihli lutho baba ayikho into efanele sifile ekugcineni no it's okay it's okay Sihlobo sami engikuzele la ukuthi ingane ziyasizakala it's not about fame it's not about ukuthi kwenzakaleni kumina but your people mabezoba nama comments ukuthi nangoke lo mama ucabanga ukuthi ngaye akwenzeka ukuthi angenzeka ukuthi angizele mina ukuzobukwa la angizele media I don't even need a media space in my space we understand so baba
Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you are okay. I know ukuthi senibonile le video already but nami kunezinto engifisa ukuthi ngabe ngiyazisho kuyo ngayo le video because ngicabanga ukuthi uJacinta made a mistake ngokuthi avume ukusebenzisana no Princess Londiwe because siyamazi vele uPrincess ukuthi sometimes izinto uzenza kanjani. So nje manje lento eyenzekayo ukuyihlekisa ngabantu ukuthanisha igama lematch and match kanje I think ukuba vele wavesana nje waqheliswa but I know it was not going to be easy because vele uNdlovu yangena ongaphikiswa
mina ngikufonela because bangitshela ukuthi kune issue khona then you went there usufikile awusebenzisani nami mina ngikubizela ukuthi sizo address udaba ungaphakathi you are addressing udaba lakho le match and match but mina ngisenkingeni osenkingeni kuyona abantu wena moreover mina kunezinto engifike ngisiza wena kuzona and I'm being attacked and you are now kwawena ngathi awusalenze iqiniso entweni eyenzakalayo whoever okhuluma enye into you should address that person ngendlela efanelekile we understand now njengoba sila ngalelanga sifika kade usho ukuthi bayijikisile ingane silwile sonke sasizakwazi ukungena zangena ingane eziwu-12 ngabuyela kwingonyama into nginike yona ngayibhala ngayinika sayithumela usenzelo wayinika ngathandela i-voice note ukuthi kuthiweni they called me department bathi bazoza because sebefonele bayafuneka endlini ngizela into engizoyenza mina le I'm giving them ama-orders esivumelwa.
So guys, njengoba bengisho ukuthi I think uJacinta wenza iphutha lo muntu is tarnishing igama le match and match right now. Njengamanje abantu abasa understand because bambona njengemember ye match and match and angazi ngizoyichaza ngithini indaba yakhe because njengamanje sisenkingeni ezamaZulu abantu abasabuki yena ngalento ayenze ku spokesperson samaphoyisa uRobert Nechunda wakhuluma as if manje ukhulumela amaZulu wonke omuya kuma social media sibizwa ngayo yonke inhlobo yamagama ngenxa yakhe. So nje really ngibona kube yiphutha ukuthi ebela
if ubona la khona ngiyenze khona wabona kanjani nje anginankinga mina noma
ngaze ngisho ukuthi uyiqonde ngithanda ukuzusho khona because yaseyazi
but sengisholo ukuthi mhlampe indlela yokuthi sisebenzisane naye ibalulekile ayiyona into eyenza mina ngiyaqhubeka engicela nje ukuthi nami masikhuluma sikhuluma ngabantu abakwi-missionary hhayi abantu kunama-concerns I don't think it's fair ukuthi simemezane kanje yabo it's not fair because akula engeke ngakubiza mina khona ngathi mntwana nakumemeza bo angiboni lokhu kuhambisana nokulonisa engikucela nje mahlala khona sonke njengabantu abadala sibonisane kahle sihlale sikhulume njengoba nawe nginamaphutha nami nginamaphutha sonke amaphutha but ukumemeza kanje akusolve into
Nasengisaphuma ngaphakathi ngibuke ngathi ngohlala uphume police station.
Yo guys, hayi kubi kakhulu ngizwa ubuhlungu because siyazi sonke ukuthi uJacinta is out there risking her life for the country ukuthi ezolwela wonke umuntu osezweni. Uma sekuzongena abantu abazogxambukela bezomosha umsebenzi wakhe omuhle kangaka and kubhlungu. Angifuni uqamba amanga kubhlungu because siyayazi izinto agowe through zona uJacinta lahlekelwa umsebenzi wakhe ethreatenishwa njengamanje unamacala avulelwe wona bese kuzoqhamuka abantu phezulu kwalowo msebenzi ongaka asewenzile bese bezodestroya yonke into namanje lento uprincess ayenzile yokuthi eyothuka iphoyisa elihlonishwayo because thina siyamhlonipha uRobert Nechundwa simhlonipha kakhulu a very humble guy a very humble policeman a South African angazi ukuthi yini inkinga yakhe ukuthi ezezokhuluma kabuhlungu kangaka and-ke nje sekudlula ngisho lokho sekungaphezulu kwalokho because right now as I said ukuthi siyamazi uPrincess Londiwe ukuthi ubehavior kanjani vele ukuthi ubehavior kanjani into enkulu kunakho konke osekubhlungu kakhulu ukuthi if you go to ama social media platforms uzothola abantu ko Facebook ko Twitter kuphi ukuthi that is why some they are even saying uMalema warned them about amaZulu ukuthi vele amaZulu anje why generalizing uLondiwe is not Zulus uLondiwe if bathi all Zulus are tribal are having this thing of tribalism it's not true. Zulus are not like that, are very loving people, welcoming in KZN. I don't know ukuthi isuka plenty ukuthi amaZulu anjalo because of abantu a few people abababona la ko TikTok bethuka inhlamba nani then ke lapho sekuzothiwa wonke amaZulu anjalo. It's wrong, it's very wrong because thina kithi kube buhlungu even before sibona lezi day khulunywa kuma social media uma sibona uPrincess ezokhuluma kanjeyana nelokhuzane nephoyisa ube buhlungu kakhulu and even not only uRobert Nechundwa vele sometimes wenza izinto ezingakhombisa ukuthi umZulu kwaZulu kunenhlonipho sazi ukuthi umuntu uyahlonipha especially umuntu wesilisa ama umuntu wesifazane lokho kokuthi uzohamba ukukhuluma ubheka abantu besilisa ngale yandlela ukhuluma nabo ngale yandlela akuyona inhlonipho yakwaZulu leyo. Kumele ukuthi silwele thina iculture yethu ezamaZulu ukuthi no we are not behaving like that, we are not raised or taught to behave like that. Asazi ukuthi yena ukuthathaphi lokho. So kubhlungu kakhulu ukuthi njengamanje everywhere you go you hear hey vela amaZulu and ngibone amanye ama comment ku Facebook amanye amaZulu ayazama ukuyidefend ukuthi not all of us are like that and they are insisting abantu abangewona amaZulu ukuthi no all Zulus are like that. How can you say that? Like this thing of amaXhosa ladies ukuthi most of those people, not all of them, not even most, I'm even wrong to say most, some Xhosa ladies who are dating or married to Nigerians and you will hear go TikTok ukuthi vela amaXhosa ladies are like that. Not all Xhosa ladies are dating powder sellers or all these things. No. Even labo abawadatayo, it's their choice. The only thing thina esingayifuni ukuthi beze bezosinsulta uma sebeshadile or uma sebedata their men, ukuthi beze bezosinsulta or beze bezoinsulta obhuti bethu, bezokhuluma ngabo izinto abazazi kahle nabo, so nabo ukuthi ziyihlazo izinto abayikhulumayo and are not true. So ilezo zinto kuphela sesiyicondemn ukuthi as-arguishi namuntu. We are not against umuntu ukuthi ayithandanele nenhlobo, ungathandana ne-China. Even God created us the same way in his image. Akuhlukile, akekho ngcono kunomunye. But musa ukuthi uma usudata, mina kwawama video ngenze examples ngama ladies from maybe Zimbabwe, from Botswana, all these other neighboring countries, ukuthi angeke uze ubabone if sebeshade nama foreign men beyo insulta their brothers like Zimbabweans. Maybe that lady of Zimbabwe from Zimbabwe is married to a Nigerian or a Congolese. Angeke uze ubezwe sebethuka ama Zimbabwean men because they're dating foreigners. No, they don't behave like that. So that is the only thing mina engiye complaining ngayo ukuthi only South African ladies abenza leyo nto. Angikaze ngibone even ama Nigerians. We have few Nigerians right now who are married to South African men, but they are not insulting their brothers because they are now married to South Africans. Even Zimbabweans are many married to South African men, dating South African men, but they are not insulting their brothers from Zimbabwe. That's the only thing esikhala ngayo. So nayo lena ke kufanele ukuthi kunga generalizewa ukuthi amaZulu anjena disrespectful or whatever. Very sikhuliswe ngenhlonipho, very respectful like any other tribe in South Africa. Sonke sinabantu bethu ngizothini abangezwa like any other tribe. EmaXhoseni kunabantu bakhona abadecent, abahloniphayo, abanjanjani, bese kuba khona ama rascals. KubeSuthu same thing, kumaVenda same thing. You can't say because umVenda oyedwa ukhulume or wenze something wrong bese uthi amaVenda vela njalo. No, it's wrong. So lo sisi lona yena, I mean, I don't understand ever since vele ngaqala ukumbona angim-understand. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to state your own views on the comment section, like, share the video and subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.